Assalamualaikum students. Hope you all are fine. I am your English A teacher, class 5, month of September, chapter 10, Adapt, Made, Profit. Students, last time I explained the whole chapter. Now again I am revise the chapter Adapt, Made, Profit. Tortoise picked up his walking stick, put on his cap. Tortoise did not announce was that he had just spied his friend Monkey bounding full speed towards the house. So Tortoise crept out through the back door. He saw hidden in the tall grass to listen to what we want on while he saw away. When the door did open, there was no tortoise inside the house. I am dreadfully sorry. I did not realize it was you. It's just that poverty can make one bad-tempered. He left a moment ago. Monkey fought down his anger. Monkey left as hungry as he had come. The two feelings mingled inside him, and Eve is electrifies, twist his long arm this way and that. Tortoise quietly watched his debt collector vanish round and bend. Tortoise still owed his money, yet Monkey would not afford a single groundnut. Yes, a hungry monkey is an angry monkey. Even more, the delicious smell of groundnut soup wafting from the kitchen. Tortoise hid in the long grass at the back of the house till Monkey had gone. It was time to call Teresa, his better half and partner, his trickery. The monkey is getting too troublesome for his own good. The way he is always disturbing you, I don't like it at all. Next day, at the crack of dawn, there was Monkey clearing and battering at Tortoise's door and shouting, "All right," whispered Tortoise it into his ear. "You know what to do, now do it." Her husband into mid-air on 1, 2, 3 and 3 Tortoise found himself upside down and right in the place where Teresa usually kept her grinding stone. This time, Monkey meant business. But Tortoise meant business also. Teresa opened the door. "It is a bad morning. I have had enough. Every time the same story, playing me up and down like a small boy, like I am the one who owes him, not the other way round. Well, I won't stand for it." Monkey started to jump up and down and from side to side, waving his long arm about like a windmill in a hurricane. He continued his furious dancing and prancing and started to look for something to throw. Monkey was acting exactly according to plan, bargaining his way past Toriska. First monkey throw a cooking pot, then he throws some tomatoes, then he saw a bar of soup and then he throw a grinding stone. Meanwhile back inside the house, Torisaka was weeping. So, is this how you behave, Mr. Monkey? She sobbed, and to think that was a prize grinding stone which my tortoise gave me as a wedding present. I am so glad to see you. Tortoise went into the kitchen. Then he saw his wife is there. Monkey, how unfortunate, I can hardly believe it. That grinding stone was very place where I kept your monkey. Monkeys swinging and crashing through the trees. Next time you see a monkey, try telling him his story and see, you can bet that he will carry on looking even though he was forgotten what for. So students, ये मैंने आपको अगेन रिवीजन करवाया है स्टोरी का. अब आपने वर्क स्टार्ट करना है अपना इंग्लिश ए का. मंथ ऑफ सितंबर का टाइटल पेज बनाना है, चैप्टर टाइटल पेज बनाना है, मार्जिन ड्रॉ करने हैं आपने. मार्जिन बिल्कुल नीट एंड क्लीन होने चाहिए. राइटिंग भी फिंगर गैप दे के काम कीजिएगा. नाउ मूव टू योर रिटन वर्क. राइट वर्ड्स टू नो. मिंगड, MINGLED, मिंगड. मिक्स्ड, MIXED, mixed. Second one is vanish, VANISH, vanish. VANISH, vanish. Vanish means disappear. DISAPPEAR, disappear. Vanish means disappear. DISAPPEAR, disappear. Third one is contract. Contract, CONTRACT, contract. CONTRACT, contract. The meaning is an arrangement. AGREEMENT, arrangement. An arrangement. ANAGREEMENT, arrangement. Fourth one is bargaining. Bargaining, BARGING, bargaining. Bargaining, BARGING, bargaining. Pushing past, meaning is pushing past. PUSHING, pushing. PAST, past, pushing past. PUSHING, pushing. PAST, past, pushing past. Fifth one is recoil, RECOIL, LED. Recoiled. RECOILD. ILED. Recoiled. Recoiled means horror. 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 हॉरर. ये आपने अपनी कॉपी में राइट डाउन करने हैं. वर्ड्स आपने ब्लैक पेन से लिखने हैं और मीनिंग्स आपने इसके ब्लू पेन से लिखने हैं. राइटिंग शुड बी नीट एंड क्लीन. नाउ मूव टू नेक्स्ट written work. Exercise A, question number 1. First, you write your question in black pen and give the one finger gap. Now, question number 1. Why do you think tortoise did not tell his wife about the monkey he off to Mr. Monkey? Again, I repeat the question. Why do you think tortoise did not tell his wife about the monkey he off to Mr. Monkey? Answer is the tortoise did not inform his wife about the monkey he off to Mr. Monkey because he thought she would get distressed. Answer. Again, I repeated the answer. The tortoise did not inform his wife about the monkey he off to Mr. Monkey because he thought she would get distressed. Now move to question number 2. Question number 2 is, what did tortoise do the first time he saw Mr. Monkey coming to his house? Repeat again. WHAT what, DID did, TORTOISE tortoise, DO do, THE the, first time, FIRST first, TIME time, first time, HE he, saw, SAW saw, Mr. MISTER Mr. Monkey, MONKEY monkey, coming, COMING coming, TO2 HIS his, house, HOUSE house. The answer is the first time, THE the, FIRST first, TIME time, HE he, SAW saw, Mr. MISTER Mr. Monkey, MONKEY monkey, coming, COMING coming, TO2 HIS his, HOUSE house. Tortoise, TOISE tortoise, told, TOLD told, his, HIS his, wife, WIFE wife, that, THAT that, HE he, was, WAS was, going, GOING going, TO2, the, 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 town, 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 and and, that, 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 he, he, would, 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 not, 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 BEB, along, ALONG, along. Answer is the first time he saw Mr. Monkey coming to his house, Tortoise told his wife that he was going to the town and that he would not be along. So students, आपने इस चैप्टर में मंथ ऑफ सितंबर में चैप्टर टाइटल पेज बनाना है. चैप्टर टाइटल पेज के बाद मंथ का टाइटल पेज बनाएंगे, चैप्टर टाइटल पेज बनाएंगे, फिर आप वर्ड्स टू नो करेंगे. 5 वर्ड्स टू नो दिए मैंने आपको. उसके बाद क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 and 2 करेंगे. राइटिंग शुड बी नीट एंड क्लीन. इफ़ यू हैव एनी प्रॉब्लम रिगार्डिंग द होमवर्क, आस्क मी ऑन व्हाट्सएप.